Hi everybody, this is Asasha from Digimax, and today we'll be studying about the if statement. So what does it do? This function basically tests a condition. If the condition is met, it is considered to be true. If the condition is not met, it is considered to be false. Now, depending upon the condition and the result that we achieve, one of the two actions can be carried out. Now moving on to the syntax. The syntax is written as equal to sign followed by the if statement, and in open bracket we write the condition, which could be a test of between two cells, such as these two cells can be equal to each other, less than, greater to each other. So after that, the action that is to be carried out if this condition is met and if this condition is not met. Now let's move on to example number 1. As you can see, the sales figures and the target for sales representatives. Each sales rep has its own target which they must achieve. Now the if function is used to compare the sales with the target. If the sales are greater than or equal to the target, the result is achieved. If the sales do not reach the target, the result is not achieved. So here we go. What we do is we put an equal to sign, put the if statement, press tab. So we moved on to the start of the function. Now the test is, the condition is if the sales have been achieved or the targets have not been achieved. So what we will do is we'll move D is greater than or equal to the target. Now if this condition is met, the target is achieved. If this condition is not met, the target is not achieved. Let me correct the spellings. IEACHIEVED and ACHIEVED. So this was it. Now we'll copy this formula onto the next three cells. Now moving on to the fourth example number 2. Now example number 2 basically tests another condition, that if what is the commission that is to be paid if the target is achieved of the sales. However, if the sales do not reach the target, the commission is only 5% of the sales. So how do we calculate this formula? We start with the same condition, equal to sign. This is the syntax, press tab. Now the condition is the same. If this has been greater than or equal to this, now if it is achieved, then this will be multiplied by 10%. If it is not, then this will be multiplied by 5%. Now, so we copy the formula, and this is what is the commission that these sales reps are going to get. So this was a bit about if function. I hope you liked it and do practice it. It's a very useful statement and you're going to use it a lot in lot of situations. So thank you.